Okay. I did have her grab another one because the other one was kind of scratched. There we go. Let's see. Oh damn, that's so pretty. Yes. It's arc. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, but there's like all the members inside still, so it's very good. Okay, it's so thick too, damn. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. It's like a little mark standee. Oh my god. Come and get it. Come and get it. Oh! It just showed all my... There's a J-Bay. So you... Yo. Cute, cute, cute. Love, love, love. Kind of sad I didn't get a mark, but I don't think I've ever... No, I've only ever gotten one mark out of all the albums I've gotten. But like, I have so much like extra mark stuff, so you know what? That's okay. Cute, cute. And then carefully. Ooh, there's the CD. And I'm guessing this is a poster of everyone. Cute, 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 cute. Pretty sure everyone's seen like so many of these and I'm doing this so late, but whatever. And then this is one of Mark. Happy. Mark is my bias, if you couldn't tell. And for 17, it's Vernon. But yeah, I didn't get any Vernon stuff, but you know, I like China Line too, so that's okay. I'm okay with China Line too. So happy. Alright. So glad I told her to grab me another one. Right now I gotta figure out how to pack this up to go home so nothing falls out. I already put all the cards with the weaving thing just so it doesn't get like, it doesn't fall out. Hopefully the CD doesn't fall out. But this one is pretty safe. As long as I lay it flat, it should be okay. I need to get some water.